So you want to be a Pokemon master, but you don't have a way to quickly make Pokeballs. I'll show you how to make a Pokeball easily using CosBond's Attach Build. First, grab a plastic ornament from the craft store, spray paint one side red and the other white. Next, trace a circle slightly bigger than a quarter and a band the width of the black part of a Pokeball onto some Attach and Build. Cut that out, then peel and stick it to some thin black craft foam. Cut the craft foam out and then cut it down the middle. Now trace two smaller circles onto your Attach and Build. I used a dime and a quarter for the size. Cut these out, then cut the larger circle in half. Simply peel and stick. Then cut your circles out of some craft foam. When you cut these out, you'll want to cut the half circle out as a complete foam circle. That way, only half of the foam circle will have the adhesive, so you'll be able to open up your Pokeball. Now we can peel and stick on all of our details once our spray paint is dry. And there you have it. We quickly made a Pokeball that opens using CosBond's Attach Build. Now you can go out and be the very best.